Have you ever wondered where what you buy ends up once you throw it away? A lot of it ends up here, in our oceans. Materials like plastic do not biodegrade, but build up across the globe.
So a gyre is a natural phenomenon. A gyre is simply a rotating current system that's comprised of the Earth's rotation coupled with currents and prevailing winds. So it's essentially like a massive whirlpool, a vortex in the oceans. Say a piece of floating plastic from California in the North Pacific Gyre can take 10 years to make the rotation from California to Japan and all the way back.
So what we have found is that these plastic particles are not just in the North Pacific Gyre, they're in all 5 subtropical gyres, and all these gyres have several garbage patches in them, 8 garbage patches total in the 5 gyres.
We're out to fuel the next industrial revolution by putting the power to manufacture things in your hands.
3D printing has the potential to revolutionize the way we make almost everything.
Socially and economically, there is little will to change, but environmentally, something has to change. Our best bet right now is technology. Since 1984, we've been working on a way to create exactly what we need, where we need it, without wasting materials. It's 2014, and the digital revolution is here.
Printing technology is already changing the way we produce objects, from tools and toys to clothing and even body parts. 3D printing is part of a process known as additive manufacturing, where an object is created by adding material layer by layer. Additive manufacturing allows designers to create complex parts for machines, airplanes, and cars at a fraction of the cost and time of standard means like forging, molding, and sculpting. Now, smaller, consumer-friendly 3D printers are bringing additive manufacturing to homes and businesses. The first step in 3D printing is to create a blueprint of the object you want to print. You can use modeling software like Blender to create your own designs, or you can visit websites like Thingiverse or Shapeways to find objects other users have 3D modeled. Once you have a finished design, it's time to send it to the printer. Some printers, like the MakerBot Replicator 2, have renewable bioplastic spooled in the back of the device, almost like a string. When the printer receives the data, it pulls the material through a tube, melts it, and deposits it to the plate where it instantly cools.
The Plastic Bank has embarked on a mission to remove plastic waste from the land, oceans, and waterways. They call the plastics they harvest and repurpose social plastic. Their goal is to lead the movement towards worldwide demand for the use of social plastic in everyday products. Based in Vancouver, they are collaborating with the University of British Columbia, as well as other schools in Canada, the US, Peru, and the UK, to encourage the creation of everyday items made from recycled plastics. The rise of 3D printing is helping to bring consciousness of recycled ocean plastics to the everyday consumer. On the business side, certifying bodies such as Cradle to Cradle offer companies the opportunity to respond to the need for corporate social responsibility when it comes to the entire product lifecycle. Ensuring that the plastics we purchase every day end up back in the consumer market instead of in the ocean means that we can meet our own needs while minimizing our environmental impact. Not only does this help with waste reduction, but 3D printing encourages innovation and has inspired us to solve problems through creation. The potential for 3D printing as a global solution is only limited by our imagination.